Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the Nvidia control panel. Open it now by right-clicking the desktop and selecting Nvidia Control Panel. Once there, make sure your primary GPU and monitor are selected so changes apply correctly. You'll go to Display, then adjust desktop color settings to access filters. This step prevents applying filters to the wrong output and explains why setup precision matters. Accurate selection avoids color mismatch later. You'll enable the color filter feature and, if required, turn on experimental features to reveal advanced controls. Next, choose a preset or set custom to tweak hue, saturation, and gamma. These controls alter perceived color balance and contrast, so adjust slowly. Once a live preview is visible, make incremental changes and compare scenes to understand visual impact. Make sure to use the preview, because it shows how games and apps will render colors after your adjustments. You're almost done. Save your custom profile and apply it to the specific display or globally, depending on your needs, then test in full-screen apps so color pipelines are confirmed. If things look off, toggle the profile off and back on to force a refresh, or revert to defaults and reapply settings. As a final troubleshooting tip, if colors still misbehave, reinstall the Nvidia driver. That clears corrupt color management files and typically resolves persistent issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.